Pelican Key Land and Sea Park is a national park in central Abaco in the Bahamas. The park was established in 1979 and has an area of 2,100 acres. Over 170 species of plants and animals have been documented within the park's land and sea areas. So we decided this was a place that we could not miss. Over the years, the coral has been damaged from rising sea temperatures, declining water quality, overfishing, pollution, and unsustainable coastal development. We have seen some research that has shown that antibiotics such as amoxicillin can be used to treat the dying coral. Hopefully, this will help and return the coral to the beautiful colors that it once had. I'm Kayla.
And I'm Enno.
And this is our sailing home DiscipleShip. We sold everything we owned to be able to bring attention to and support missions in need and create memories of a lifetime while on this journey. It was Mark Twain who said, 20 years from now, you will be more disappointed by the things that you didn't do than by the things you did do. Join us each week as we learn, laugh, and pray. And you'll never miss out if you subscribe and hit that notification bell. Since I needed a beach day, we decided to head over to Elbow Key and check out Tahiti Beach. We didn't stay too long, only enough time to explore a little bit and stretch our legs. And if I actually liked escargot and sea urchins, we could have been fed for a week just on what we came across. Sadly, I don't like either. So we walked as far as we could, watched the waves crash against the Devil Rock for a while, and then headed back to the boat. We had an early morning. Tomorrow, we head to Pelican Key. So good morning from Elbow Key, where there's a lot of famous people around here. We're not one of them, though.
Not yet.
We could be.
Infamous.
Today, we are headed over to Pelican Key, which is rumored to have some amazing snorkeling, diving reef and coral and fish and everything that you can imagine. So we are headed over that way today, and then tomorrow we head over to the Eleutheras and we meet up with our friends that we anchored near in Islamorada. So that's on our agenda today, and hopefully we can get some amazing video that we can share of fish, of coral, of anything and everything that's below the waterline.
GoPros are charging. We're ready to go.
I think so. I think we're good. We shall see. As I mentioned before, this should all be a vibrant gold or orange or yellow. It's just a bleached white.
Thank you for watching. Stay tuned next week as we go to Eleuthera. As Emmett said on the island, Eleuthera, the island that keeps you a-smilin', and something about fine women.